Hello, we are from Dhruvsoft. Dhruvsoft is a partner of Oracle NetSuite, Salesforce, and Zoho. We are a cloud-based ERP CRM consulting provider. We provide enterprise solutions to manufacturing industrial organizations to optimize their processes, whether those processes are within their manufacturing plant end-to-end ERP processes, or that is for their customer service or for their sales teams. We provide software for end-to-end services, and we are participating in IndoMach. Actually, there is a very good response. A lot of companies which are there actually from manufacturing segment who have visited us. Dhruvsoft is located in Hyderabad. We work with clients from across the world, and anyone who is looking for CRM or ERP services, they can connect with us. Thank you.